everyone, welcome back to Inside the Day podcast powered by Machine Dalal. If you have been with us before, it's great to have you back, and if you're new here, welcome aboard. I'm Anureet, your host. So, today we are diving into one of the biggest debates in the printing world, digital versus offset. Everyone keeps asking which one is better. But here's the real question. What do buyers actually prefer today? But honestly, that's what really matters, right? So let's break this down with real on-ground market behaviors. Speed. When the time is priority, digital always wins. But let's start with one thing buyers usually care about: speed. Because let's face it, today everything is urgent. When the buyer needs work done in hours, not days, and they almost always go for digital. Think about jobs like same-day business cards, short-run flyers, and last-minute packaging mock-ups. And the best part? No plates, no long setups, no complicated preparation work, just fast printing. So when the speed matters, buyers naturally lean towards digital. But here's the story gets interesting. While the speed is important, not every job is about urgency. Sometimes the biggest factor is cost. When the buyer is looking for bulk jobs like tens and thousands of flyers or large packaging runs, they start thinking about cost per piece. And this is where the offset earns its reputation. Offset becomes significantly cheaper the bigger the quantity gets. So with the high volume jobs, buyers still trust offset without hesitation. That now we have spoken about the cost. There's another thing the buyers are very serious about. Color. When the brand wants accuracy, offset often leads. For big brands, color is not just about visual, it's about identity. And this is where the offset has a massive advantage. It delivers stable color, sharp details, and accurate Pantone matching. Packaging brands and corporate buyers want zero surprises with their brand's color. They want consistency. They want reliability. That's why, for brand critical jobs, offset is still considered to be the king. But here where the things are getting modern, personalization, this is where the digital really shines. Market today is no longer about one size fits all. Buyers want customized output, name on products, variable QR codes, personalized labels. And that is almost impossible to do economically with offset. Digital makes it this simple, fast, and scalable. So when the job requires personalization, buyer confidently choose digital. And this naturally leads to another big market shift. For the smaller quantities, why short runs are becoming normal. Not too long ago, big prints run was standard. Today, it's completely different. Business want flexibility. They don't want print, excess and store inventory. That's why now we see orders like 100 brochures or 50 labels becoming very common. For jobs like this, digital makes it more sense because of its low setup cost. But printing today isn't just about ink on paper. Print is now about experience and feel. Buyers want finishes like foiling, embossing, spot UV or textured efforts. Traditionally, offset handled this space. But now, a hybrid system where digital printing is combined with premium finishes are becoming very popular. And this is where the two worlds comes beautifully together. Now there's another topic buyers are increasingly asking about: sustainability. One of the growing decision factor. Today, more buyers are asking about environmental impact. They want to know about waste, inks, energy usage, and eco-friendly processes. Digital generally creates less waste and needs fewer chemicals. So buyers with sustainability mindset, digital is often a better choice for them. But even with these changes, one thing hasn't changed. Quality. What buyers ultimately judge you on. At the end of the day, buyers judge you on the final output. Offset gives very sharp details and color depth. Digital gives vibrant colors and sharp, great contrast. So in reality, both technologies now create excellent quality. It's just about choosing the right fit for the job now. So now let's put everything together. What do buyers really prefer? Here's the honest truth. Buyers don't fall in love with machines. Buyers fall in love with solutions. They choose digital when they want speed, flexibility, and customization. They choose offset when they want volume, cost efficiency, and brand level precision. And this leads us to the biggest reality of the market. The real future, hybrid is the answer. Future isn't about choosing digital or offset. The future is hybrid. Buyers want printers who understand their needs, not printers who push just one technology. The one who can offer both will dominate the years ahead. So let's wrap it up. Digital is fast, flexible, and built for customization. Offset is powerful, consistent, and unbeatable at scale. But what buyers really want is simple: right technology for the right job. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for more talks about the world of printing, packaging, and machinery.